So today I'm going to show you guys how to install Java JDK on your Windows. So open up your Google Chrome or any browser you have, type in Java JDK and go to the first link, oracle.com. So here is at this time the latest Java version is Java SE 15. So we want to download this one, the latest one. Click on JDK download, scroll down. These are the different versions for different operating systems. So for me, I'm going to use for Windows version, and my version is 64-bit. We'll be using this install one, this one. I'm going to accept terms and agreements, download. At this point, if you don't have an account with the Oracle, they will ask you to log in or create a new account. For me, I'm already logged in, so it doesn't ask for me. Just download it. Wait a few seconds. So guys, once the download is done, just click on it. Press yes. Should come up any second. Yeah. Press next, and this will be your installation path. Press next. It will take a few seconds to install JDK, so be patient here. So once this is done, it's already installed, so just close this one, and you want to go to your disk, to your directory. Java should be Java. I've installed the latest version, so it's 15. Go here, go to your bin. This is the important folder. Copy this folder, this path. Copy it, go to your Windows, settings, and here search for environment variable. You click on the edit the system environment variables. Click this one. Once this window is popped up, click on this environment variables. You have to look for here on the system variables. You have to look for path here. Click on path and click edit. Here, press on new and add whatever you copied from your installation directory. Okay, so once that's done, press OK. And there's also one more thing you have to do. Click here, new, and type in Java home, and the path will be this without the bin part. Okay, that's okay. Okay, to check if everything is okay, just go to your menu, type in command prompt, and here first let's check if Java was installed correctly. For that, we have to type in Java -version. As you can see, Java is also already installed on my system. And also we can check for the Java C, which you need to compile your Java files. Also have the latest version, and also my environmental variable, which is echo %sign home, Java home. As you can see, this is my variable. So that's it, guys. Thank you guys so much for listening.